Howdy folks, this is your old pal Uncle Al. Very tired. I have to keep breathing. Between the stress and my activities with the food drive and making sure everything goes well, it's been busy. Okay. Problem is, some of the Democrats in some of the Democratic states are doing lockdowns again. And this is for the Red Dragon. I can understand it, but at the same time, they're doing some weird stuff with the lockdowns. This is the second round of lockdowns, and some of their tactics don't make sense. So please be careful. This is a very short one. Please check out these people. Okay, I have to take care of a few things because New York and New Jersey has promised to start their lockdowns. Some of them, if you're sick, it's fine. If you're Jewish or Muslim, it's a little strange. Okay? And I'm looking at them like, why are they doing this? And they say it's for public safety and health. When I hear that, it gets me kind of nervous because I study history. I know what happened to Eastern and Russian Europe when they say for public safety and health. 1,500 people died a day for public safety and health. So when I hear that, and I know my history, I get nervous. You have a nice day now.